Yo, what's up boys? It's your boy Mystic back again with another airdrop video. Now my last video I said I'm going to do an update on Moby, the airdrop. I've uploaded that 5 days ago and it almost has 500 views already. It's my most viewed video. It surpassed the one I posted 3 months ago, so I'm very thankful for that. Thank you very much everybody who watched the video, liked, commented and all that, and I've been reading your comments and a lot of people were asking for a code. So if you didn't actually receive a code in your email from using Asset Dash, you can still click the link below and sign up and you can still start earning Moby points. So yeah, my code is below, but I just wanted to do a quick update on this because since my last one I didn't actually fully know how to claim. Now you will be given the airdrop, but you have to fill the bar from 0 to 100k or whatever. I got an airdrop of 20k Moby, but I need to fill that to 100,000. Now you do that by swapping on the Moby app. You can buy coins, you just trade on the Moby app and you will be rewarded Moby for trading on there. But I have a bit of updated news because I'm sure you can all see that it takes a long time to fill that bar. So if you head over to my Twitter, and also thanks everybody who subscribed, 26 subscribers. Don't forget to hit that sub button boys, and also on my Twitter go over and hit that follow button. But yeah, I'd seen this tweet the other day and it's someone from the Asset Dash team, which is a part of MobyScreener, and they said he said team just cooked up an idea, solves an important UX issue, and at the same time will make it 10 times easier to hit your 100k progress bar. Aiming to release it in the next 1 to 2 weeks. In the meantime, stay active, trade, invite, etc. Let's take Moby Agent Mobile to the top. Okay, so this was a couple of days ago. This was on the 28th. It's now the 31st. So this is 3 days ago. He says aiming to release it in the next week. So it could be 4 days they upload this. They make this update, or it could be an extra week after that. But yeah, they're planning to make it's 10 times easier to fill that bar, which is really good. When that happens I will make another video. I just wanted to come on here and give everybody an update because I know a lot of people probably didn't see this and probably like, oh feck Moby, probably wrote it off. But don't write it off yet boys, just wait a week or two. Once this update comes out, then just then start farming the airdrop, using the app. To be honest, I'd say keep on using the app anyways and use it to trade because it is very good. But yeah, this bar here will be easier to fill, so you'll go from 20k to 100k 10 times easier. So I'm looking forward to that update. I just wanted to jump on here and say that really quickly boys, but anyways, I will start filming the next video now so I can upload it later tonight. But yeah, if anybody has any questions, leave them down below. Hit that follow button, subscribe button should I say, follow me on Twitter. And yeah, like I said, when this update happens I'll do a third video on Moby and let you know when the update is out and what I think of it and how good it is and etc. But yeah, until then boys, take it easy, take it handy. I have a new video coming out soon. The next video is going to be about the Pump Fun airdrop, so stay tuned for that boys. I'm very excited for that. Stay tuned, and I have a few more videos planned, so I'm going to try, like I said, try to get a video out every day, every 2 days. And yeah, let's keep on growing boys. Much love to everybody who's subscribed and who's been showing love. I really appreciate it. And yeah boys, let's keep on going. I've been Mystic. Until the next one, peace out.